How the Big Bang Theory works. Now let's see, who discovered the Big Bang Theory? According to the American Museum of Natural History, the idea first appeared in a 1931 paper written by Georges Lemaitre. Okay, you will say that, how did the Big Bang happen from nothing? According to the theory, the universe was extremely dense and hot. There was so much energy in the universe during those first few moments that matter as we know it couldn't form. But the universe expanded rapidly, which means it became less dense and cooled down. As it expanded, matter began to form and radiation began to lose energy. In only a few seconds, the universe formed out of a singularity that stretched across space. Now we see, what is the Big Bang Theory in simple terms? The Big Bang is an attempt to explain how the universe developed from a very tiny, dense state into what it is today. It doesn't attempt to explain what initiated the creation of the universe, or what came before the Big Bang, or even what lies outside the universe. What does the Big Bang Theory tell us? According to the Big Bang Theory, there's no center of the universe. Every point in the universe is the same as every other point, with no centralized location. The Big Bang Theory describes the development of the universe from the time just after it came into existence up to today. It's one of several scientific models that attempts to explain why the universe is the way it is. The theory makes several predictions, many of which have been proven through observational data. As a result, it's the most popular and accepted theory regarding our universe's development. The most important concept to get across when talking about the Big Bang is expansion. Many people think that the Big Bang is about a moment in which all the matter and energy in the universe was concentrated in a tiny point. Then this point exploded, shooting matter across space, and the universe was born. In fact, the Big Bang explains the expansion of space itself, which in turn means everything contained within space is spreading apart from everything else. Now we look at, how did the Big Bang start? At the earliest moments of the Big Bang, all of the matter, energy and space we could observe was compressed to an area of zero volume and infinite density. Cosmologists call this a singularity. One result of the Big Bang was the formation of the four basic forces in the universe. These forces are electromagnetism, strong nuclear force, weak nuclear force, gravity. At the beginning of the Big Bang, these forces were all part of a unified force. It was only shortly after the Big Bang began that the forces separated into what they are today. How these forces were once part of a unified whole is a mystery to scientists. Many physicists and cosmologists are still working on forming the grand unified theory, which would explain how the four forces were once united and how they relate to one another.